I'm not sure about you guys, but we are always running out of our lightning cables here. Like, we end up getting those cheap ones, and because we're just in a hurry and grab something, and they end up just being terrible. So, wow, these are huge. We will definitely not have a problem getting these to reach where we need to go. So, you know, there's not a lot you can say about a lightning cable, but this one is really pretty. The gold, and it's beautiful. And it, you know, it doesn't feel like it's just going to tear up like those old flimsy ones you buy at the gas station, because you can see it just looks like much better quality. So these are going to be hid in my room so my daughter doesn't lose them.